If you just discovered your water heater leaking, stop, don't panic. But you do need to act quickly. A leaking water heater can cause serious water damage in a matter of hours, sometimes minutes. In this video, I walk through exactly what to do right away, how to stop the leak, and when it's repairable and when it's time to replace it. First, confirm the water is actually coming from the water heater. Sometimes water near the unit is condensation, a nearby plumbing leak, a leaking pipe above the tank, or even HVAC drain line. Dry the area with a towel and check, is the water coming from the top, from the bottom, a connection point. The location of the leak determines your next step. Shut off the water supply. If the water is actively leaking, shut off the cold water supply immediately. Look for the cold water shut-off valve above the heater. Turn it clockwise until it stops. If the valve is stuck or broken, you may need to shut off the home main water supply. This stops additional water from entering the tank, preventing more flooding. Step number 3. Turn off power or gas. For electric water heaters, go for your breaker panel and turn off the water heater breaker. For gas water heaters, turn the gas control valve to off. Why this matters? Running a water heater without proper water levels can damage the unit and in some cases create safety risks. Step number 4. Drain the tank. If the leak is significant, you may want to drain the tank to prevent further water damage. Steps: attach a garden hose to drain valve at the bottom. Run the hose to a floor drain or outside. Open the drain valve carefully and be careful, water inside may be still hot. Next one is identify the type of leak. Repair versus replace. Likely causes: loose pipe fittings, faulty inlet-outlet connections, bad TP valve. These are often repairable. Drain valve leak. Sometimes the drain valve just needs tightening or replacement. Repairable in many cases. If water is pooling at the bottom and the tank itself is leaking, that's usually internal tank failure. This is not repairable. Once the inner tank corrodes and cracks, replacements is the only safe solution. How old is your water heater? Most traditional tank water heaters last 8 to 12 years. If your unit is over 10 years old, rusty, making rumbling noises, or leaking from the tank itself, replacement is typically the smarter investment. Because even if you fix one issue, others are likely right behind it. If you're replacing, this may be a good time to consider high-efficiency tank models, tankless water heaters, larger capacity systems, or adding a leak detection shut-off valve for the whole house. These upgrades can reduce future risk and improve efficiency. What not to do? Don't ignore a small leak. Don't leave power on. Don't attempt internal tanks repairs. Don't delay if water is spreading. Water damage gets expensive fast. If your water heater is leaking and you are not sure what to do, call Fuse Service. We will assess whatever it's repairable or needs replacement and help you prevent further damage. The sooner you act, the less is costs. Click the link below or call us now for same-day service.